Hello traders, you are welcome to my video on the Chandelier Exit Indicator. It's actually an effective MT4 indicator that helps traders to stay in trends longer and avoid early exits. Okay, I'm going to add the indicator to the chart right now, and then from there we're going to proceed into looking at how this indicator works and how you can take advantage of it in your trading strategy. Okay, so this is the Chandelier Exit Indicator. It uses volatility-based trailing stop loss levels. Let me just make the indicator thicker because I don't like how the lines are too light, too thin. Okay, let me just make this thicker here. Right, for easy identification, for better clarity. Okay, so basically the indicator helps traders to lock in potential gains while avoiding false exits. Okay, if you've ever struggled with staying in trades or setting stop losses, this tool could be a valuable addition to your trading arsenal. Okay, now you might be wondering, how does the Chandelier Exit Indicator work? Well, this indicator is based on the ATR. Okay, it's based on the average true range, which measures market volatility. All right, so it can help you to effectively identify good positions for your stop loss and take profits. All right, can help you identify good positions for your stop loss and take profits. Okay, so basically when the indicator is below price, the market is in an uptrend. All right, the market is in an uptrend when the indicator is below price. I think it's what it helps you mostly identify is areas for your stop loss, because the indicator appears below price for a buy and above price for a sell. However, when the reverse signal occurs, you can now use that to exit manually. Okay, so basically when the indicator is below price and of course showing this orange color, it's a buy signal, so you might want to be looking for buy opportunities. It shows that the current trend is bullish. And when the indicator is above price and showing this purple color, it shows that the prevailing momentum is bearish. So you might want to look for sell opportunities. It's that simple, right? The Chandelier Exit Indicator helps you stay in a trade for as long as possible and exit at the right time. So if you have a prevailing sell trend, and let's say you enter the sell trade around here, once you got your confirmation, because the indicator is still purple, there is no need to exit until the indicator changes to orange. All right, so to help you to ride that trend for as long as possible, even if you had entered around here, you can see at the site of this, if you had entered around here, although there was a pullback, ideally you would have set your stop loss above the previous swing high, right? So you'd have entered here, set stop loss here, because this was when the color changed from orange to purple. So even at this point, you can see it was still purple, showing that the sell momentum was still there despite this long bullish candle. You can see that the color was still purple because it showed that there was still sell momentum. So it was until here when the color changed back to orange that you should have exited your sell trade. All right, so this is just a very quick example. Now the indicator in its settings has a default ATR period of 14, so you can actually decide to modify the setting according to your taste. All right, according to your taste. Okay, so this indicator is very straightforward. If you are a fan of trend following strategies, if you are a trader that prefers trend following strategies, then you might want to consider adding this indicator to your trading toolkit. All right, but if you are a trader that prefers ranging markets, then this might not exactly be the best indicator for you, because this indicator is better suited for trending markets. All right, it's better suited for trending markets, because you will realize that what the indicator does is try to help you take advantage of a trend. It's going to help you to stay in the trend for as long as possible. Although in this case, it gave us a signal to exit our sell, right? And it gave us another signal to enter another sell here, because the trend was still prevailing in the sell direction, right? So this is for trend following strategies, this indicator, right? For a buy, it's going to help you to stay in the buy for as long as possible until the color changes to purple. So if you had entered around here, let's say you got a confirmation and you entered around here, of course your stop loss can be below the previous swing low, and then you take profit. You can just wait for the color to change to purple. All right, so this would have been a good place to exit, and this even coincided with the resistance zone. You can see we had a double top here, right? However, this is a resistance zone, and this was a good place to exit our buy. Indicator color even changed to purple. So it's a very straightforward indicator, right? Whether you are a beginner or an experienced trader, this indicator has a value to offer. Okay, it has value to offer. Now, why should you be using the Chandelier Exit Indicator? Okay, one is that it tries to eliminate early exit. No indicator is perfect, right? No indicator is perfect. No indicator guarantees 100% accuracy. And in as much as this indicator tries to help you to ride trends longer and maximize strong moves, there are times when it might give you an exit signal before the trend is over. For example, what happened here? The trend was not over, but it gave us an exit signal. Okay, although it gave us another entry for a sell, right? But this just shows that the indicator is not perfect. Okay, because there is no indicator out there that is perfect. All right, and then it's actually a good indicator for trend traders, like I mentioned, because it tries to keep you in the trade until the trend reverses. Okay, or at least until maybe there is a significant pullback or thereabouts. All right, and you can combine this indicator with other indicators. It works well with moving averages, RSI, MACD, support and resistance levels, and all of that, right? Ensure that you always get confirmation for your trades. Try to get a confluence, okay, before you enter a buy trade or a sell trade. All right, now this indicator is an effective tool for traders who want to stay in trends longer and avoid premature exits. Okay, whether you are a beginner or an advanced trader, this indicator helps you manage risk, stop loss placement, and trade exits more effectively. So if you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more Forex trading tips. Let me know in the comments if you've used the Chandelier Exit Indicator and how it has improved your trading. All right, see you in the next video, and happy trading.